In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra spaces in Google Sheets. Extra spaces can sneak into your data when you copy and paste from emails, websites, or exports. They look harmless, but they can break lookups, cause sorting to act weird, and make entries that should match show up as different. The good news is that Google Sheets has a built-in way to fix this quickly and safely. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet you want to clean. You can use an existing file or create a new one and paste your data in. Make sure you can see the column that has the messy text. It helps to zoom in a bit or widen the column so you can spot those leading, trailing, or doubled spaces. Next, we'll use a simple formula that does the heavy lifting. Pick an empty cell next to your first messy value. For example, if your original text is in A2, click into B2 and type trim A2, then press enter. Trim removes any spaces at the start and end of the text, and it also collapses any run of multiple spaces between words down to a single space. That means Odd Acme Corp becomes Acme Corp with exactly one space between the words. Check the result in the cell where you enter the formula to make sure it looks right. If it does, apply it to the rest of the column. Hover over the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the fill handle, then drag it down to copy the formula through the rows you need. You'll see each row clean up instantly. If you want to replace the original data with the trimmed version, copy the cleaned column, then paste values over the original. To do that, copy the results, right-click where your original data lives, and choose Paste Special, then Values Only. This keeps the cleaned text and removes the formulas so your sheet stays fast and tidy. A couple of quick tips as you work. Trim keeps a single space between words on purpose, so names like Marianne will remain correct. If a value looks like a number but had hidden spaces before, trimming may also help it behave like a proper number in calculations. And if you don't see a change, double check that your formula references the correct cell and that you included the equal sign. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, use EAT or trim on the cells you want to clean, fill it down, and paste values if you want to finalize the changes. Your data will be much more reliable in just a few clicks.